Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect VT markets to MT5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you can either download the VT markets and the MT5 application from Google Play Store or App Store, or you can also access VT markets via your web browser. So whichever method you choose, you first of all need to log in into your VT markets account. Once you log in, you are going to see this type of home page in front of you. So when you see this type of home page, simply tap on your profile icon on the top left hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to go to the settings of your device. In the settings, you are going to get your MT5 login credentials. So you need to first of all copy the server from there. After that, you need to launch your MT5 application just like so. Here by default, you are going to see the plus icon if you are launching MT5 for the very first time, or you can also tap on this add trading account option. So here in the find broker, you just have to paste the exact same broker or the server list which you have got from your VT markets account. After pasting it, when you are able to find it over here, simply tap on it. And then you need to go back to your VT markets account. From there, you need to copy the login ID and the password details. After that, you need to paste them over here one by one. Rest, you don't need to change anything here. You don't need to tap on the demo account or the real account. Just make sure that the server is right and it matches to all those credentials which you have got in your VT markets account. So once you have done that, simply tap on the option of login. This way you will be able to connect your VT markets account to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.